can't sleep.
Something's in the air in Dillydale today. Everybody is sneezing. Or they have an uncontrollable case of the hiccups. To some Mr. Men and Little Misses, a sneeze or a hiccup can be a funny thing. To Mr. Nervous, it's a cause for alarm. For you see, sometimes a sneeze is a sign that you're getting sick.
Hello, Mr. Stubborn. I have papers for you to sign.
Not now, Miss Chatterbox. Can't you see I'm busy?
Gesundheit.
Do not call me names.
I'm not. I'm just wishing you good health, which you obviously need since you're coming down with a cold.
I am not coming down with the cold. I am perfectly fine.
Well, I may not be a doctor, although once I went to a costume party dressed as one, which was really, really funny until someone asked me to take out their tonsils. Anyway, I'm pretty sure you have a cold.
I do not have a cold.
Hello, Mr. Grumpy.
Who sneezed?
Mr. Stubborn did. He has a cold.
Will you stop saying that?
Just go home, Stubborn. We don't need you spreading your germs around the office and getting the rest of us sick.
I do not have a cold. Keep your tissues. I am fine.
Sounds like you have a cold, Mr. Stubborn.
I do not have a cold, Mr. Lazy.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
I think you do.
And I know I don't.
Maybe you should see a doctor.
Only sick people go to the doctor.
Hello, Mr. Happy.
Wonderful! Knocking down this wall really opens up the place.
Mr. Stubborn knocked it down with a sneeze. He has a cold.
A cold? That sounds serious. How about I give you a professional opinion? Mr. Stubborn, I have some bad news. You have a cold.
I do not have a cold.
But I'm a doctor. I know these things.
You know nothing. None of you know anything. I have never been more healthy.
Gesundheit.
How am I supposed to do my job in the dark? I am going home. Call me when this light is fixed.
Feel better.
For the last time, I do not have a